Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Now what we're going to do is, inside just a few minutes, we're going to introduce you to Qigong, some very simple principles on how Qigong works, what to focus on, how to get results really quickly. So bring your hands up in front of you, form a ball. There are three basic qualities: willpower, breath and stretch. So I want you to focus your willpower on your breath into your stretch, concentrate on the space in the ball and stretch into the ball. Now you can look at the ball if you like as you stretch into it. Start concentrating your breath. As you breathe in, expand the ball by an inch or two. As you breathe out, compress the ball. Now after 1 or 2 minutes, most people will start to feel like they're accumulating a substance between the hands. A fluidic substance. Some people experience as a form of magnetism, some people experience as a form of density. Whatever your experience is, pay attention to the form of what it is. So whatever you feel, just simply identify, I am this, and let your mind identify as the feeling. Then as your mind identifies as the feeling, you increase your will within that identity to increase the amount of feeling, increase that energy. After a few minutes, you'll have a thick, dense ball of energy between your hands. This we refer to as vital energy, or Jin, vitality. To move this energy into a Qi state, we go through what we call the 4-cycle breath. We breathe into the ball, you stop the breath, you stop the mind, you enter into the stillness, and you slow everything down. So we have the ball and we have a quality of slowness, of stillness. Then you mix the two as you breathe out. A very slow, long breath. Condense that energy and slow it down. You get to the end of the out breath. You pause, you enter the stillness. You release time and you breathe that stillness into the ball, mixing the feeling of life force with stillness, releasing time. So after a few minutes of doing this 4-cycle breath, the energy will get really thick, it'll get really dense and really slow. So once you have that thick, slow feeling in the energy, from there we put it throughout the whole body. We breathe that thick, heavy feeling throughout the pores, fill the whole body with it like a balloon, and then we condense it. And we continue this process until your whole body is like an electromagnetic fluid, very, very, very fluidic, very dense. That's the feeling you put into your Qigong. That is the feeling you move into your Tai Chi form. You're moving that thick fluid like you're swimming in air. And that gives you the substance and the feeling of Tai Chi. When the mind can move this Qi, then the Qi can move the body, and then you can train Tai Chi. Spend a few sessions on this idea, train these steps, and your Tai Chi will get taken to a whole new level within a few days. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.